This is how Donnie does his beach day.
Sounds like there's a freight train on the beach.
This is what happens when you have a husband with narcolepsy.
Oh look, there's a bird coming to visit him.
Go bite his butt.